So Elon Musk just purchased this foldable home for $50,000 that could be assembled in under an hour, and they're taking over the world.
Wow. Frankly, I think it looks more like
No.
So the richest man on the planet, a guy worth over $700 billion, sold nearly every mansion he owned and moved into a tiny foldable house that costs less than most pickup trucks. You heard that right. Elon Musk has been living near SpaceX headquarters in Boca Chica, Texas, in a compact, prefabricated home that reportedly cost him around $50,000. And now, whispers are circulating that Tesla is developing its own version of this concept, a factory-built foldable home that could arrive on the back of a truck and be assembled in just a few hours, with some sources projecting a base price that could start under $10,000. But is this actually real, or is it just internet hype? How does a foldable house even work? And could something like this genuinely put an end to America's brutal housing crisis? Let's find out. Welcome to Visionary Vault. Before we get into the Tesla house itself, we need to talk about why this matters so much right now, because the timing here is not a coincidence. According to the National Association of Home Builders, roughly 75% of American households, that's over 100 million families, cannot afford a median-priced new home in 2025. Incredible. The median price for a new single-family home has hit $459,000, with mortgage rates hovering around 6.5%. That means your monthly payment on an average home is now over $2,500 before you even factor in insurance, taxes, and maintenance. And here's what really gets us. The median home price is now 5 times the median household income. 5 times. That ratio used to be around 3 to 1, which was considered the benchmark for affordability. We're way past that now. So what does this mean for regular people? It means the average first-time homebuyer in America is now 40 years old. It used to be 33 just 5 years ago. Oh my goodness. An entire generation is locked out of homeownership, stuck paying rent that goes up every single year with nothing to show for it. So when someone like Elon Musk starts talking about factory-built homes that cost a fraction of traditional construction, people pay attention. And they should. Now let's talk about what actually exists right now, because there's a lot of confusion floating around online. In 2020, Elon Musk made a shocking announcement. He said he was selling virtually all of his real estate holdings. We're talking about a portfolio that was once valued at over $100 million. Mansions in Bel Air, properties across Los Angeles. Gone. All of them. And what did the world's richest man move into? A Boxable Casita. That's a 375-square-foot prefabricated home built by a Las Vegas startup called Boxable. As Musk confirmed on the Full Send podcast, he said, and we quote, "My primary home is literally a $50,000 house in Boca Chica that I rent from SpaceX. It's kinda awesome though. Pretty crazy, right? A guy who could buy any building on Earth chose a tiny foldable box. So how does this thing actually work? The Boxable Casita is built using steel, concrete, and expanded polystyrene foam in a factory in Las Vegas. The entire unit folds down from about 20 feet wide to just 8.5 feet, which means it fits on a standard flatbed truck or can even be towed by a pickup. Once it arrives at your location, the house unfolds in about an hour. 1 hour. It comes complete with a full kitchen, a bathroom with a tub and shower, a living area, a bedroom space, and all the appliances pre-installed. Refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, even a washer and dryer. The materials are designed to be incredibly durable. We're talking hurricane wind rated, flood resistant, snow load rated, and because there's no wood or traditional sheetrock, there's no risk of mold or rot. It's like having a home that's built to survive what most traditional houses can't. But that's not all. Boxable has now launched a second product called the Baby Box. This is a 120-square-foot home on wheels priced at just $19,999. It includes a kitchen, a bathroom with a shower, a convertible couch bed, and full utility hookups. It arrives folded, gets towed by a pickup truck, and sets up in about an hour with no special tools. That's under 20 grand for a complete, move-in-ready living space. Awesome. And the demand? Over 175,000 people are currently on Boxable's waitlist. That number keeps climbing every single day. All right, let's now move on to the big question. Is Tesla actually building houses? Here's what we know. Tesla has not officially announced a branded tiny home product for sale. We want to be upfront about that. A lot of videos and articles online throw around prices like $5,000 or $7,000 for a so-called Tesla house, but there's no confirmed product at that price point from Tesla as of right now. However, and this is where it gets really interesting, Tesla already has all the technology pieces to make this happen. Think about it. Tesla manufactures the solar roof, which integrates solar cells directly into roofing tiles. They make the Powerwall, a 13.5 kilowatt-hour battery that stores energy and provides backup power during outages. They produce some of the most advanced battery technology on the planet, and they operate the Tesla Semi, which could theoretically deliver a prefabricated home straight to your door. As Musk himself has said multiple times, he wants to bring the home buying process closer to the car buying model. Simplified ordering, factory production, and direct delivery. In other words, you'd order a home online, a Tesla Semi delivers it to your lot, and within a few hours it's assembled, connected, and ready to live in. We believe this is not a question of if Tesla enters the housing market. It's a question of when. In fact, Tesla has already partnered with Boxable in the past. Musk lived in one of their units. Boxable has even pitched using their foldable homes as housing for SpaceX employees at Starbase, and has promoted concepts for using their units as potential Mars habitats. The Jetsons anyone. So let's paint the picture. What could a Tesla-branded foldable home actually include? Based on Tesla's existing technology and the direction Musk has been heading, we think a Tesla home would feature integrated solar roof tiles built directly into the structure, not added on after the fact. It would come with at least one Powerwall battery pre-installed, giving you 13.5 kilowatt-hours of stored energy. That's enough to power essential appliances in an average home for 24 to 36 hours on a single charge. The home would likely connect to the Tesla app, meaning you could monitor your energy production, consumption, and storage in real time from your phone. Imagine checking how much solar energy your house generated today, the same way you check your Tesla's battery level. Incredible. And here's the kicker. If Tesla pairs solar generation with battery storage, your monthly energy costs could drop to nearly zero. We're talking about a home where the sun literally pays your electricity bill. Combined with the low purchase price of a prefabricated unit, you could be looking at total monthly housing costs that are a fraction of what most Americans pay in rent, let alone a mortgage. To put that in perspective, the average American renter pays around $1,900 per month. If you're financing a Boxable Casita at $60,000, your monthly payment could be as low as $250 to $500. Add Tesla Solar and a Powerwall, and your energy costs could be close to zero. That's a total monthly cost that's potentially 70 to 80% less than renting a standard apartment. Crazy numbers. Now we know what some of you are thinking. This sounds too good to be true. And honestly, there are legitimate questions that need to be addressed. First, the base price of a unit like the Boxable Casita is around $60,000. But that doesn't include land, foundation work, site preparation, permits, shipping, or utility connections. When you add all of that up, realistic move-in ready costs typically land somewhere between $95,000 and $150,000. That's still way below the national median, but it's definitely more than the $5,000 or $6,000 price tags you see in clickbait headlines. Second, zoning laws are a real obstacle. Many cities and counties have minimum square footage requirements, setback rules, and restrictions on where prefabricated or modular homes can be placed. These regulations vary wildly from state to state, and navigating them can add time, money, and frustration. Third, Boxable has faced some growing pains. Some early customers reported delays, and the company has been burning through cash as it scales production across its 3 Nevada factories. They're still ramping up and prioritizing larger bulk orders of 50 units or more before they can fulfill individual buyers at scale. But here's the thing. Every revolutionary product faces these kinds of challenges in the early stages. Remember when people said electric cars would never work? That the range was too short, the charging infrastructure didn't exist, and nobody would buy them? Tesla proved every single one of those critics wrong. We think the same pattern is playing out with housing. Imagine this. It's a Saturday morning. You wake up in your compact, modern home that was delivered on a truck and assembled in a single afternoon. The sun is hitting your integrated solar roof tiles, and your Powerwall is already fully charged for the day. You check your Tesla app and see that your home actually produced more energy than it consumed yesterday, so you've got credits with the power company. Your total monthly housing cost is $300. No landlord, no 30-year mortgage, no stress about rent going up next year. Now imagine that same home can be relocated if you get a new job in another state. Fold it up, load it on a truck, and set it up at your new location. It's like having the freedom of renting with the equity of owning. We're not exaggerating to say that this concept could fundamentally change what it means to own a home in America. And if Tesla goes all in on this with their manufacturing expertise, their energy technology, and their ability to scale production like no other company on Earth, we believe it could happen faster than anyone expects. Now we want to ask you, the YouTube viewer, what do you think about the idea of a Tesla foldable home? Would you buy one? What's the maximum monthly payment you'd consider for a compact, solar-powered, move-in ready house? Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. With that, we hope you learned a lot about Tesla's potential entry into the housing market and the foldable home revolution after watching our episode. If you did, we humbly ask to please press that like button and join the Visionary Vault family by subscribing to our channel. You'll never miss out on any of our awesome videos once you hit that bell icon. We value your feedback and the time you spent watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you back here soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, and God bless.